powered by a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This rear-wheel drive convertible, with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Mazda features dual front airbags, air conditioning, and alloy wheels. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, power steering, and power windows. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Walnut Creek Honda, a Carfax Advantage dealer.